Hi guys, this is Nikki, also known as Faces Trader, and you're watching the Nikki Awesome 10X channel Global Market Update. It's January 6, 2021. So let's begin. Wait up. Sorry. All right, let me repeat. I was gonna try to video. Wait up. I'll try to voice memo us. Hintay. Para mabilis buhay ko, guys. We are uploading. I haven't uploaded last night the global market update, but we are found in Spotify as well. So anyway, let me repeat. Hi, this is Nikki, also known as Faces Trader, and you're watching the Awesome 10X Live Market Updates, January 5, 2021. Let's begin. Okay, so as of last night, a lot of companies continue to go wild and wilder. So as you could see, there have been a huge spike in a lot of your weed-related, cannabis-related names. Charlotte's Web is 11%, Organigram is up 6%, Tilray is up 6%, your cannabis ETF is 4% up, Hexo 4%, some Grow Generation of $40 continue to stay strong. Aurora Cannabis at $10. Green Thumb, GW Pharma. Do you have a cannabis stock in your portfolio? Awesome 10X has a lot of them. So Silver Spike, aka Weed Maps, is a SPAC that is one of the cannabis names that we have, and we continually to like them. So we have it already at about I can't remember if I bought it at 12. Actually, I think I bought it already a little bit late. I wasn't able to buy it near 11, but about 12:50, I got this. I remember I get 12:30. And then, it's now $13.55. So still holding on some Weed Maps, Silver Spike. It was a company that we featured around December. So in fact, I'm still liking SBVCF. Let's take a look at that name. Let me just go there. So a lot of weed went up because a lot of Democrats were winning in the elections. So let me just show it to you on our Slack page. I think I have it here. Not sure if people shared it here. No, that was December. But we have on our quick trades a lot of people making a lot of money on your Chinese brokerage firms as well, like FUTU. But let's see. So inside the Awesome 10X, you could see a lot of us Awesome 10X members sharing ideas as well, not just primarily me. Of course, you can get into our classes and see what companies we feel are Awesome 10X names. But take a look. Just to show you. FUTU up 300%. January calls. We're buying FUTU here at about $36. Last night, FUTU went to 28. 58. I mean, 36. 38 to 58. Yep. So broke above that uptrend channel. Kaboom. Can it go insanity tonight to about $70 or $90? So I'm still holding on. Actually, a lot of us were already holding this at about $32 to $29 here. So this was more of a re-entry part here. So buying here, and then adding more. That's just a long-term uptrend. For those who don't know who FUTU is the AKA the Robinhood of China. Both FUTU and Tiger are one of the largest firms that are actually catering to millennial Chinese traders and investors to abroad, to diversify some of their holdings abroad. So I personally have FUTU, I don't have Tiger, but definitely, as you could see, same chart formations, same breakouts happening. For those who have these names, #winners win, hold on to your winners. Just wanted to share that we also like Palantir, bought some already at about 10 below. But those who don't have it might actually have an entry point here today at about $24, $24.25. Some of us got in already at 24, added more. But as to why, Awesome 10X already shared that this is a data-driven analytics company. And if you believe in the sector of cybersecurity and the fact that a lot of AI analytics is not just beneficial to governments, but also to companies like as wide and as varied as Hershey's and Walmart, you can just go through our Palantir Awesome 10X category to understand why we like Palantir. How do you go there? Here's how you do it. Go to awesome10x.com. If you're a member, here's how you easily do it. Although Palantir, you can search it because it's a free Friday class pick. Gave it already. So you can actually just search our YouTube channel and find that class for you. But when you go inside the My Courses, go inside our inner circle. So you go and view the product. This is actually viewable as well on your mobile Kajabi app. You just download Kajabi inside. So let's say just search PLTR, Palantir. And you can see that Palantir direct listing, data-driven, September 11, 2020. And you'll understand why we like it in the first place. Okay. Okay. All right, I'm going to give some ideas for you as well. Take a look at Else Nutrition Holdings. This is an OTC name, BABYF. This is actually in, this is listed, Else Nutrition is listed in Canada. So, Vancouver, Canada. This is a plant-based baby and toddler formula. I'm going to just read a few things for you. Yeah. I'll let you study it for yourself, but it's a trusted alternative to dairy-based nutrition for your body, available on Amazon. You can order it now. This is a winner, satisfaction guaranteed. Finally, a clean label, plant-based baby and toddler nutrition you can feel good about with just 3 main ingredients: organic almonds, tapioca, organic buckwheat, a chemical-free whole food approach. This is a way to actually be on the secular trend of anything that is plant-based revolution. You can learn more about them. Try to check on the. Would you like to check out themselves? Check it in your check their investors relations. Learn more about them. So yeah, take a look at that. Oceaneering was actually a buy on Awesome 10X during November, November 20. Added here at about $6. It's now trading at $9. Last night, actually, almost all the one-night stands that turned into long-term relationships, I called them actually one-night stand sectors because these are called cyclical sectors. They're called value plays. These are energy-related names that I felt had a huge value proposition. Take note that this is already a breakout here at about 770. Last night went to 9. These are just higher low areas for it to go back to about 10 to 12 to $20, or maybe not 12, but at least at about 14 area. So for those who got into these winners, just hold on and let's see whether your one-night stand really does turn into a long-term relationship. IMMR, Immersion Corp. Yup, I think that this 10-11 area is a buying zone. As to why, check out inside Awesome 10X. Silver Spike, answered that already. CLA here at about $13. Yup, answered this. Think that this is a buy area here. DOYU International here at about $11.90. Looks to be a buying zone. As to why, you probably need to go to Awesome 10X. All right. DADA Nexus is a free Friday class pick. You know already why I like DADA Nexus. Here at about 36, 37, or even at 38, still a buying area. There's a lot of companies that are flying here and there, and those are ideas that I want you to take a look at. Let me just show you a few things. Alberton acquisition, very good move, already up. So actually, Awesome 10X already has these names. ALAC, ALAC is gonna be Solar Max. So let me just show that to you. ALAC, Solar Max. We got in during December at about 10, 11. Yeah. So usually, I would pitch a lot of companies that I truly believe in inside the summary. So I'm going to show to you how that works. This is actually an impetus for you to see that there's so much value in actually subscribing inside the Awesome 10X Inner Circle group. So not only would you see, okay, so a lot of people doing quite well, up 20% January 5. I think if you do get bag held, it won't be for long. Day trading, nice volatility. I said here, January 3, ALAC Solar went in. buy list until December 31. SPACs under 11, SOAC and ALAC, buy them. So there's a lot actually. You could see that we got some 100% moves on bullhorn warrants. Just wanted to share that that is just one of the few many companies that Awesome 10X SPACs were being bought by Awesome 10X. See here? So bought some ALAC here at about 11. Last night rose about $14.50. So up already about 35%. Take note that the reason why Awesome 10X winners win is because it is a function of three things. Number one, we do a lot of secular trend checks. Number two, is the risk smaller than the reward? We usually, and I'll tell you that, I find companies that have a risk of about 10 to 20%, but a reward potential of about 100 to 200%. And so there's really a lot of important criteria. Of course, you diversify time, and that's how you really make money while sleeping. And of course, I'd say that the best way to really test Awesome 10X is to actually subscribe. And how do you do that? Just want to shout out that we have this promotion today for, actually it's a promotion until February 12, 2021. Happy New Year, Awesome 10X wants to give a 21% discount this 2021. The 1-year membership is 15,800 pesos. Is a 21% discount from our 10,000 per 6 months fee. That roughly will be about 300, let's see, 15.8 divided by 48.4. How much is that? So sa plaksyang divided by gotap. Sa po to, mga sa dito ko. Mga around $320 US. So those who want to subscribe, do check out. Go to Awesome 10X, sign up right now, and find a way to actually invest your $50,000 or even just $1,000, whatever that amount of money that you have. Please don't forget to invest in the best companies worldwide. Don't forget, start your 2021 right. Do a New Year's resolution for yourself. Invest globally. Now, I'll answer a lot of questions. Let's see. Hi, Miss Nikki. Thoughts on AMRS? Sadly, I didn't study AMRS, so I couldn't actually give any answer here. I don't know what Ameris Inc. Very strong moves from about $2 to $8. I'll put this on my watch list. I, however, am not aware of what this company does. So very strong movement, 400%. Congratulations. November went from about November, 400% up. Let's put it on our watch list. No idea. So sorry for now. Ameris, what does it do? Let me just search very quickly what Ameris does. Ameris is a biotech company. Okay. So a lot of biotechs right now are really moving up. Says here that cosmetics, flavors, and fragrances, they're going to launch it in China through a partnership with Super Ordinary. So what is it again? It's about beauty and baby skincare. It's a sugar substitute. It's an advanced bioeconomy. It's a scientific leader in producing sustainable ingredients for the clean health. Okay, so I've been only invested in clean energy. This is a space that might be an interesting company to look at. Clean health, renewable fuels, industry is anti-malaria. If you have it, congratulations. If you don't have it yet, probably let's see if we can make an entry somewhere below 5. I mean, it's gone up already 400%. It says here from the news that it just closed a $50 million strategic transaction. Okay, and it just launched in China through a partnership with Super Ordinary so that they could actually get into the Chinese market. So it sounds a little like a Beyond Meat story, but in this case, it's more on the Beyond Cosmetics type of a move, right? So it's about plant-based cosmetics, I would assume. I sense that it is what it means, right? So it's a lot of vitamins on the feed, food, personal care industries. I'll read the about section. It says here that Amaris is a science and technology leader in research, development, and production of sustainable ingredients for the clean health and beauty and flavors and fragrances market. They include Impressive arrays of exclusive technologies and machine learning, robotics, and AI. Ingredients are included in over 3,000 products, reaching more than 200 million customers. Built around its no-compromise promise of clean ingredients, Bio Essence, Clean Beauty Skincare, Pipette Clean Baby Skincare, and Pure Cane, which is a zero-calorie sweetener naturally derived from sugar cane. How much is the market cap of Amaris? Let me see. It's a biotech company. Let me just follow it. I have, oh wait, no worries. Market cap, Amaris. Market cap, it's a $2 billion company. Right now, I have no idea. So I'll need to learn more about the company and read the news about them. But I can see why the market is happy about the name. The trends are there. There are some life-saving malaria treatments, says here. We are developing a malaria drug that is as good in the planet. Learn about our partnership with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Access our technology. Go to the investors' events and presentations. It's an interesting company. I'll have to say, I'll put it on my watch list. Looks interesting. If you have it, probably keep on holding on to your AMRS. Congrats. Thoughts on NEO in a long-term perspective. I'm bullish on NEO and Xpeng, Li Auto, but in general, I only have Xpeng and Geely, all of the Chinese vehicles. You've got NIU, you've got 1211, you've got Wu Motors. Let me just show you a few Chinese companies here. 2333, Wuling Motors continues to go higher. 233HK continues to go higher. 1211, BYD Company. What else? 175, Geely Auto. Take a look at some lithium miners, still a strong trend. It's just really an uptrend. Any buy the dips, any pullbacks would be a buy the fucking dip type of name. So when NEO actually fell to about $40 recently, we gave a buy call there. When it fell near 40, well, I really was such a cheapskate. I was still waiting at about 38 to 35, but some of us got in at about 40. Good thing I didn't cheapskate my way with Xpeng though. At about $40 below, got in. Yeah, here about 40 to 38, entered there. Even at 42, this should be okay with me. Yeah, in general, I am of the view that you can buy a lot of these companies when it falls. So, example, this one from 40 fell down to about 26. Li Auto rallied to about 32. Although there are some resistances here at 35 and 40, I do think that the sector trends are very clear and very much on the upside. How do I apply for the 10X group? Simply go to awesome10x.com. Just click sign up, and then if you could pay through PayPal, BDO, GCash, PayMaya, and that's it. Like you can use your credit card and so forth. What do you think about XPEV? XPEV at 4042 is okay with me. Have it and held it. What do you think about GoPro? No idea. No plans to buy it either. AMRS is a weed stock. It doesn't seem like a weed stock when you look at Amaris, right? I mean, no, it's not. It's a clean company. Are we talking about the same AMRS? This one, right? AMRS, Amaris Inc. From 2 to 8. It's gone 400%. The company here says that they are a leading synthetic biotech company in the clean health and beauty markets. That's what it does. Went to the website, read it for you. Bingo po, ma'am. BNGO, I felt at about 7 seemed too high. 5 went from 50 cents to $7, right? So bio nanogenomics, I felt I'm late here, so I wouldn't bother. I know that a lot of biotech names are going up, but if I couldn't enter right, then I don't plan to get in. Discuss check cap. I'll be willing to get in at $1 area. But if it's like last night, it's already gone to $1.80. I don't have plans to enter 300% higher than my, if my target was at like 3 or 250 and then it already rose last night, I wouldn't be buying there. Like people who have it, who already got it, some of us have it, like check up, they were able to get in below 1 actually. So they would happily either profit take or just hold on to them. So there. Were you able to research BNGO? BNGO, personally, I didn't, but we have some awesome 10X members who have. So we have some people who know biotech more than me. So they've had BNGO and PACB and check about $1 below for BNGO. They got in, not me. Yeah, they got in BNGO at about $1 below. I think that buying it at 5 might be too high, so I'm not interested. That's me. Yeah. So personally, I told you my ideas, and actually, there's more. There's more ideas. But so I think like there are so I'll give you like some clues. There are some education companies listed in Oslo, Norway that is interesting. So go to Oslo, find an education company there, and Oslo, Norway education company. Somewhere there is an awesome 10X name. Find it, and I will and see you in our awesome 10X classes. Wait up. So as you could see, a lot of companies in the SPACs world are interesting. ALAC, Local, SOAC. Yeah, these are companies that we already have. IMPX, DGNR, DGNS, Avan, BHSE, many names. Yep. And last night, I told you guys about WeCommerce. WeCommerce was up already at about $22. So WeCommerce, we got in at about $19. This one is a Canadian company. Very strong movement for this. Think it's going to go higher. Lockbox, I believe, is a good entry point here at about 70 cents, 75 cents. These are great opportunities. 80 cents all the way down to as much as 60 to 50 cents. These are great entry opportunities. Okay, so last questions, if any. Is API still a buy? We got some Agora. So Agora, a lot of Chinese companies, by the way, rose last night. Jack Ma was found to be not missing. So a lot of Chinese companies continued further. Your Bilibili, some of the people got in at 60, nearing 120 soon. I would say that some people might take profits on some Chinese names tonight. Because they have rallied quite substantially. Take note that JD has rallied somewhere from about $80 now hitting 95. So I still think this is too early, but a lot of Chinese names are good for me. With Agora, it's a little bit slow, to be fair. So about 45 to 50 might take profits on the way up, or even near 60. But at about 38, yes, we entered there. So many buying arrows there. But I usually try to exit if it's too slow. On to 5G, in my view, I checked a lot of 5G stocks. I personally would just stick with my Qualcomm and Nvidia, even if I know it's gonna be just up 30 to 50% a year. It's not that special, I think. Like it's not as if that you won't make money here, but I checked the sector. It's not a place that I want to be in. Semiconductors as a group, okay, maybe you like it, so you just learn about it. But yeah, there. How much po fee? For like newbie questions, you can go ask everything inside the newbie classes. We have a Wednesday newbie class for all the Awesome 10X members. Inside the Awesome 10X courses, we answer all the things like how to open an interactive broker's account, how to fund your interactive broker's account. But typically, locally, I help the members charging 800 pesos for the transfer fee. But if you want to go to the bank yourself, they'll charge you 600 pesos for the transfer fee. And of course, you pay the rate, whatever the rate of the dollar peso is. And then, of course, your interactive brokers will deduct about $20. So let's say you put $5,000 in, you'll get $4,980 in return. Alternatively, if you don't want to go through all the hassle, most Awesome 10X members pay me pesos, and then I deposit their dollar accounts, their dollars to their interactive brokers accounts. Salesforce, we like it already. You can search in Awesome 10X. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.